Hi there, I'm at Chatuchak plant market. So if you want to have a look, watch this video. This plant market is open on every Wednesday and Thursday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. So if you want to go there, go in the afternoon. At this time, it would be less crowded. And to reach there, get down at Kampang Phet MRT station, and this will lead you directly into the plant and flower street. As you walk through, you will discover that apart from plants and flower, you'll find so many types of different and pretty things here, which can make your garden attractive and very, very beautiful. They have wooden made so many garden accessories, like so many different type of pots. You can keep such thing in your garden, or such sink, you know. They have this live plants and artificial plants as well. They have some local type of plants, rare plants, orchids, air plants, flowering plants, as you see, grass, ferns, fruits, and vegetable plants as well. So if you want to grow potato, onion, sweet potato, any other type of root vegetable, you can find here. You must have noticed that they have mentioned the plant name in Thai mostly. So before going there, please make sure you have Thai dictionary app, or you know your desired plant name in Thai, because these people know very little English. If you are a succulent lover, this place is heaven for you, as they have many varieties. Plus, price starts from 10 baht only. And before buying any plant, please mind rules and regulation regarding bringing plants back to your own country.